everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some of my favorite lipsticks for the summer season. So summer is coming. I know it's a little too early for me to talk about it, but trust me, summer is coming. So let's begin. So my first lipstick here is by Revlon. This is called as Petunia. So this is how the packaging is, and this is the shade. This is a lovely summer shade. You will look bright, like bright. You can see this is how the shade is. It's a pretty bright shade. It's very summery, like my dress. And the next shade is by MAC. This is one of my favorite shades. This is all fired up. This is how it is. You know the MAC packaging. Nothing different. This is how the shade is, and this is how it is. This is one of my most commonly used shades. It's sort of pink and it's got light tinge of red to it. Then I have the Kate Haran 16. This is the Rimmel collection. I mean the Kate collection of the Rimmel brand. This is the shade, and let me just, this is a little, you can see, I like this one for summer as well. One of my favorites. Then I have another one. This is from Wet n Wild, and I haven't used much of this, but I think this year I'm going to be trying this. It's called as Smoking Hot Pink. So this is how the shade is. I have mixed up with some other shades, so you can maybe see a little bit of it. And this is how the shade looks. I know this one and the second shade looks very close. Apparently it's a dupe, but I don't use it that way. I just use it as it is. Then there is one more. This is the Lip Mousse by Lakme Absolute. And this is in the shade Fuchsia Fantasy. So let me just show you guys how the shade looks. This is how it is. And right here, Fuchsia Fantasy. They're all very close if you see, but they're different types of shades of pink. Very nice. So this one, the Lakme, stays for long, very light, creamy but light. Then I have another shade by the Kate collection of Rimmel. This one's called as 115. Okay, this one, let me show you. This is how it looks. Okay, this is way more light than all the other shades. This one's nice and creamy. You'll have to give some touch-ups for this shade if you are using any of these two. A lot more touch-ups than the other ones. And then I have my last two lipsticks remaining for the summer collection, and let me show you. I think I've already shown you guys this one. I think so. Nope. Yeah, so this is the Flat Out Fabulous. This is one of my favorite shades. Let me show you here. So you see the first one is Flat Out Fabulous. So this one and All Fired Up is something I use all the time. Then this is my least used, but I still like it. This is called as Captive Satin. This is a little deeper in shade. So if you're into deeper shades, then this one's your color. Let me put it here. You see, so these are some of my favorite shades for this summer. So I hope you guys like my video. Do share, comment, subscribe, and show me some love.